In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Notion template. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for, so you can bring any compatible template into your own workspace quickly and confidently. First, open Notion on your computer and make sure you're in the workspace where you want the template to live. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the main sidebar. Look for the option labeled Settings or Settings and Members on that left panel. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Notion keeps all of your workspace configuration options, including the import tools we'll be using. Once you're in the settings area, look for the section called Import. This might appear either as a tab or as an item in the list along the side of the settings window. Click on Import. This is the central place where Notion lets you bring in content from files on your computer or from other apps and services. Inside the Import section, you'll see an option that says something like Choose a file or Upload a file. Click on that. A standard file picker window will open from your operating system. Here, navigate to the location where you saved your Notion template file. Typically, these will be files that Notion recognizes, such as exports from another Notion workspace or template files you've downloaded. Select the file, then confirm to upload it. Notion will begin processing the file and creating the corresponding pages and databases in your workspace. Depending on the size of the template, this may take a few moments. If your template lives in another tool instead of a local file, you can use the third-party import section on the same import page. In that area, Notion lists other apps and services that it can pull content from. Click on the one that matches where your template is coming from. You'll usually be guided through a short connection or authorization process, and then you can choose the specific content you want to bring into Notion. When you confirm, Notion will import that content and convert it into pages and blocks you can edit like any other Notion document. Once the import finishes, you'll find the new template pages in your workspace sidebar, ready for you to customize, rearrange, and start using in your daily workflow.